Now that you have seen this video, don't remove it. Come, let me show you how to solve this problem. This is the conservation of mechanical energy. I know you have not followed my page, but let's leave that first. Let's look at this problem and see how we can solve it. A stone of mass 1 kg is at a height of 80 meters from the ground, and it is released so it can fall to the ground. It has fallen through a distance of 30 meters, and at this point we were told to calculate or find the kinetic energy of the stone at this point. This is what you do. We know that at this point the stone possesses potential energy, maximum potential energy at a height of 80 meters. So we can say that the potential energy at 80 meters is equals to mass times gravity, acceleration due to gravity, g, times the height. So if we put the values, the mass of the stone is 1 kg, times 10. 10 is the approximate value of acceleration due to gravity, g, times the height, 80. That gives us 800 joules. So the mechanical or the potential energy at the height of 80 meters is 800 joules. After it has fallen through 30 meters, what is the height from the ground at this point? If it fell through 30, it means that it is 50 meters above the ground because the whole height is 80, it fell 30. So from this point to the ground is 50. So we are just going to calculate the potential energy at 50 meters. And it's also equals to mgh. The m is 1, the g is 10, but this time the h is 50 because it is at this point now. If we do this multiplication, we get 500 joules. Now what happened? You can see that while it was here, it has 800 joules of energy. Now that it is here, it has 500 joules. It has reduced. It means some of the energy has been converted. Converted to what exactly? It has been converted to kinetic energy. So at this point, we can simply get the kinetic energy by subtracting this from this because it has converted some of the 800 joules to kinetic energy at this point to remain at 500. Therefore, the kinetic energy at 500 meters, which is at this point, is equal to 800 minus 500, and the answer is equal to 300 joules. So the kinetic energy at this point is 300 joules. You can see that it is very simple. You understand? And now that you've watched this video to this point, it means you enjoyed it. So you can just go and follow the page if you have not done so. And one more thing, just share it to another person so that they can come and benefit from this video because you actually enjoyed it. That is why you stayed to this point. And if that is the case, then try this. With what velocity did the stone hit the ground? What will be the velocity the stone hits the ground with at this point? If you know the answer, put it in the comment section. And thank you very much for watching this video. See you in our next video.